Hello friends, in this video we will discuss about new form PMT09. This is a small topic but important topic. There are some subtopics which will be discussed one by one. First of all, need for form. मतलब ये form क्यों आया, why? Then heads in form, use of form, availability of form, and last topic is format of form. How to use, or you can say step by step filing of form, we will discuss in next video. Hope you will enjoy the video. Let's start with our first topic, need for form, or we can say what is difficulty faced by taxpayer. कौन सी प्रॉब्लम थी जिसको दूर करने के लिए गवर्नमेंट ने फॉर्म 09 लाया. As we know, in Challan there are four major heads: CGST, SGST, IGST and UTGST. IGST is used for interstate supply, means supply between two states, and CGST, SGST, UTGST is used for interstate supply. It means supply within the state. Various taxpayers at the time of making Challan makes the payment in IGST head, irrespective of CGST head, and vice versa. It means payment in wrong head. Then the amount deposited in the particular head can be utilized for setup of that particular head liability only. It cannot be utilized to discharge the liabilities which may be due in another head. Suppose आपकी लाइबिलिटी IGST हेड में है और आपने CGST में अमाउंट डिपॉजिट करवाया है, तो आप सिर्फ CGST की लाइबिलिटी सेटअप होने के लिए उसे यूज कर सकते हैं, IGST की लाइबिलिटी नहीं, फॉर्म 09 आने से पहले. इन दैट केस टैक्सपेयर नीड्स टू मेक अनदर पेमेंट अंडर IGST head and claim the refund of the amount deposited in CGST head by filing a refund application. This process of filing refund claim can lead to blockage of fund as well as time consuming task for taxpayer. To remove this difficulty of the taxpayer, central government introduced new form PMT09 which come into effect from 28 April 2020. Now we will discuss about what is form PMT09. Form PMT09 enables any registered taxpayer to perform intra-head or inter-head transfer of amount as available in electronic cash ledger. A registered taxpayer can now file Form GST PMT09 for transfer of any amount of tax, interest, penalty, fees from one head to another head as available in the electronic cash ledger. In Form 09, there are 4 major heads and 5 minor heads. Major heads IGST, CGST, SGST, UTGST, cess, and minor heads tax, interest, penalty, fees, and others. Use of Form PMT09. Form PMT09 on the GST portal allows taxpayers to make intra-head and inter-head transfer of funds as available in their electronic cash ledger. By use of this facility, taxpayer now transfer amount from minor head interest under major head IGST to minor head tax under same major head IGST. In simple terms, you can say यदि आपकी लाइबिलिटी IGST हेड में है और आपने गलती से CGST हेड में अमाउंट डिपॉजिट करवा दिया है, तो आप इस फॉर्म की हेल्प से CGST अमाउंट को IGST में ट्रांसफ़र कर सकते हैं. With the help of this form, taxpayer now save time as well as big problem of blockage of funds. Now, from where can taxpayer file Form PMT09? To file Form PMT09, taxpayer first of all are required to log in on GST portal and then click on Services tab, then Ledger, then Electronic Cash Ledger, and then finally file GST PMT09 for transfer of amount option to see the form GST or to use the form of GST PMT09. Then last topic is format of PMT09. there is format. First GST number, legal name, trade name, ARN number, date of ARN number, then details of amount to be transferred from one head to another. In last, verification. In next video we will discuss about step by step or how to file form PMT09 in live. Hope you will enjoy. Thank you very much. Hope you enjoy the video. Please share, subscribe, like and comment the video.